Some of you have already noticed that the hand A hose reel is coming out without a solenoid. This solenoid is being replaced by the new 60 amp switch. When you get ready to replace your switch, first of all, you can either disconnect the hot wire from the circuit breaker or pull the fuse at your battery. Then you can disconnect the wires from your solenoid and from that switch that you have with the solenoid, the brown button. And then all you'll have to do is take the hot wire from your hand A reel motor, hook up to the switch on one screw. On the other screw, you'll hook up the wire that comes with the switch. Go ahead and put the switch inside your frame, similar to this. Then run your wire along the back side, come up here and hook up to the silver lug of your circuit breaker. Then all you have to do is hook up your hot wire, put your fuse back, and you should be good to go again.